I have another new Kabbalistic magic writing. Jakum meshimech baba me hahu me sala because balabi alakabaka. Ailaka, wolika, woili jakabala, wolia sakabaka. Wolisa, jalia, wolia sakaba, jali sakaba, wolima lia sakabaka. Mia, jalia, aili sakaba, wolima lia sakabaka. All this Kabbalistic magic writing is a message from God directly. And Nigerians should also pray against flooding, famine, and importantly, plane crash. No, most of these planes, they do not take care of them. So now, there's going to be a serious plane crash, and to involve personalities this time around. Now, you will see what will happen now. Some ex-governors will pass away very soon from Oyo. Yes, they will pass away.
It's another very unique opportunity today to hear from the oracle and to be able to be guided spiritually. We want to thank the management of St. Augustine Healing Home in Lagos that made this happen after almost 4 weeks and some days. We have been trying to reach out to the great man. It's another very good opportunity to hear from him, especially as regard what is going on around the world, in America, in the political space in Nigeria, and as related to incoming elections, especially in Edo State and Ondo State, and to also hear about what we need to do to get ourselves out of some of the political and economic logjam. There have always been impression that there's going to be recession in the country, especially after this corona pandemic, and that people should brace up for the hard times. And today we find ourselves in the palace of His Royal Highness Oba Dr. Augustine Bola Adegunloye, the Egbeji Ologun of Nigeria. After so much effort, we met him when he returned from a traditional rite today. I want to thank the very wonderful elderly traditional elder statesman for giving us this chance. I want to also thank his management. Sir Baba, we are very grateful meeting you today again, and it has not been easy. We've been trying to reach you in the last 4 weeks and 6 days now. We learned you've been busy, and when we called last week, we learned you are so busy engaging with some spiritual activities, interceding for this country and the whole world. I want to start by asking that why have you been so scarce? Because early in the year, you are the one that predicted that this year is going to be Reganok Day, and we remember critically that you predicted that a lot of people are going to die, and that it's going to be Judgment Day. It's going to be a spiritual Judgment Day for wicked people around the world. And today now, after that prediction, which was published on January 17 on our channel, by March we entered a very serious situation. When we came back again, you also predicted that somebody important will pass away in Aso Rock, and you said that there should be cleansing in Aso Rock. You have always been talking about cleansing, and just a few days ago now, some part of Aso Rock caught fire. You also predicted that there's going to be so much fire this year. That was in January, and till today you've heard about how the office of the Accountant General got burned in Abuja, and some other prominent infrastructures, marketplaces, especially Lagos market, Balogun market, and even Ibadan market, and even in Aba and even in Anambra, and a lot of fire. Until today we are still having a problem of fire and all the rest. And you also predicted that it's going to be great heat this year, and a lot of people have been complaining of heat. The heat has been so much, and to add salt into injury, even the discos are not even giving light. They give life at their own discretion. People have been resisting that. So sir, how did you get all this inspiration, and how is it that all your prophecy has always come to pass, sir?
Thank you very much, brother. Firstly, I thank you for coming, and may God be with you.
Amen, sir.
Generally, may God be with the whole Nigeria.
Amen, sir.
May Nigeria have a peaceful time.
Ashe, sir.
This corona will not come to Nigeria to kill so many people.
Ashe, sir.
God will avert all those problems by the grace of Almighty
Ashe,
God.
sir. Ashe, sir.
So today, there is emergency alert for the nation. Media prediction 2020. So this year, Nigerians should be prayerful against economic recession. Many companies will fold up. Many will lose their job. Money does not. There is need for urgent spiritual cleansing. Like I always been saying before that Abuja and Lagos need cleansing, but they don't listen to me. They feel like a madman that's talking. I'm talking from the Kabbalistic magic writing I'm writing, which is very, very great. You know, today now, I have another new Kabbalistic magic writing. Jakum meshimech baba me hahu me sala because balabi alakabaka. Ailaka, wolika, woili jakabala, wolia sakabaka. Wolisa, jalia, wolia sakaba, jali sakaba, woli malia sakabaka. Mia, jalia, aili sakaba, woli malia sakabaka. All this Kabbalistic magic writing is a message from God directly. You know, it can be understood by those who know about Kabbalistic magic writing. So this year, the more servicing politicians will die this year. They will think it is a joke. This time it's going to be a rapid. It's going to be rapid, and disastrous for our politicians. More traditional rulers too will join their ancestors in this year 2020. And Nigerians should also pray against flooding, famine, and importantly, plane crash. You know, most of these planes, they do not take care of them. So now there's going to be a serious plane crash, and to involve personalities this time around. They should all pray against flooding and plane crash. And President Buhari needs to a peaceful prayer, you know, because people around him doesn't like him. And very soon there will be a reflection for those people that doesn't like Buhari. He will surely see those people that doesn't like him. They will die. Their secret will be linked to the public. Yes, because they don't like him.
They'll be exposed?
They'll be exposed. Because the man have been doing the job that God sent him by exposing all these corrupt people. But God will surely expose them very soon. Because what they have been hoarding now, the money they have been giving them because of this corona or something, they did not spend it for people. They will surely fight against the money. From there will be problem for them. They will see him. You
mean that the money that they are sharing for palliative measures, especially when people were under lockdown, that money has been stolen and eaten by those politicians?
Yes, definitely they had the money.
So what's the implication, sir? The
implication is God will reveal their nyash. Every of their nyash will come out. Like this man now who is making noise up and down, this Yaya Bello. If he doesn't take care, he's going to pass away very soon. There will be a deputy government will be impeached, and the successor will die in the office very soon. You know, most of people are going to die in Nigeria now after the cancellation of this lockdown, because hunger. They will be hungry. The famine will be working. Hunger will be worrying them, and they will live when let something is done. If not, and they should help the president. Not only the president can do the whole job here. They should everybody support the Buhari government, because if not, what will happen is not Buhari that will suffer it alone. It's generally going to happen to everybody. Now, you will see what will happen now. Some ex-governors will pass away very soon from Oyo. Yes, they will pass away because they are working for him, but those who working for him, they are just eating their money. That's why since I've been doing my program here, none ever a government official come say, my brother, can you help me? I don't charge people exorbitantly. People know me. People can tell him now, can call you and tell him how much do I charge them. 200 naira, 250, 300 naira, that's all. That's how much I charge them. I'm okay with it. But once I can do their job for them, the rest that come to me, if it were my recharge card that bears with me, I'm all right.
So what advice do you have for most of these politicians that are supposed to spend the money to take care of people? We now have bad roads everywhere. There's nothing good. Food is so, in fact, transportation has become so high. The roads are like almost jungle. If you look at Lagos Abeokuta Express Road, is like a jungle, very rough. And you know, sir, what message do you have for them? It appears that there is no what they call it, there is no chemistry between the politicians and the electorate. The only time they come out is when they want to seek for election. They give Indomie, they give a packet of salt, and they give maybe 4 yard of Ankara and 1,000 naira, 200 naira, and all that. So, what message do you have for them? All these people are in Abuja, they're in Lagos. The roads are bad. The power is not consistent. It appears that there's nothing they do that benefits the ordinary people. Is there any message for them? And during the COVID-19 again, the money, the food that they also share. I have a video whereby they were sharing food, and the food, they would just drop one rice in one street and carry the whole thing away, and they were even sharing it. Even a particular local government, people have to break into it to carry all the food. And the local government just lost the chairman recently. Now people broke into the place to carry food out, only for the man to die after some weeks, sir. What do you have for these politicians, sir?
If we happen to tell them, they will not believe. They don't believe. They believe in their mind. What I'm trying to tell them is that most of those politicians are very wicked. Their time will pass away. Just patient. They need patience. Everybody needs patience. Anybody needs to be patient. When you are patient, you will see the result of everything. You know, very soon you see that most of these people, when they want to vote in again, they cannot come in again. As a politician, never. Yes, people has known them from A to Z, so they will not come again to do. Look at Abeokuta Road. Before, when you pass to Abeokuta, you can use only 1 hour 20 minutes. You get to Abeokuta. Now, if your motor is not all right, you use more than 3 to 4 hours in Abeokuta.
So I'm using 8 hours, sir. Because there's a hold up in Kolinti. It starts from Salulu, Adura, Kolinti. Then the one in Songo is worse. Even the one in Togate is horrible. Then when you get to Ifo, it's like you're in hellfire. Yes. So almost 8 hours you get to Abeokuta from Abule side.
Those presidents, those people who have been a president before, they see it and they are looking at those things. They know actually it's bad, but what they want for the money, they don't know that with this money that they are holding, God doesn't like it. They will die away from all those things they are doing. They are suffering. The suffer God will give to them will be so great. It's good they are suffering many people. They are suffering many heads. So those heads too, God will use to judge them. They will know. They are laughing in the office. But they didn't know that those who are senior to them, they pass away like that without help. They are going to pass away. Yes. I don't pray, but I know that on every action there is equal and opposite action. Whatever person does to people, he will have to repatriate and take it. Because one person here said, Jalia, Aili Sakaba Wali Malia Sakabaka. He said there are going to be serious people in Nigeria that will die. Yes, mostly politicians. They will die. They have the money, but God will use it to punish some of them. That time they cannot come out again to say I'm a politician. I am this, I am that.
Do you have a message for doctors? Most of the doctors are now allowing patients to die. When they bring patients to die, they say, oh, we don't want to touch. Some of them are having this COVID-19 apathy. They fear that, oh, they don't want to touch, and somebody that has fever, they term it COVID-19. Somebody that have typhoid, they say it's COVID-19. And some people who are supposed to be taken care of, according to our investigation, they just die because this doctor become nonchalant. They say, oh, go and bring money first before we can do anything.
That's why I'm telling you now. Ilya, Jakia, Wiley Sakaba Olimalia Sakabaka. God is listening to all these people. They will suffer. They will kill, they will die miraculously. Because what they are doing is not the best, because they say they should be very patient with people, be kind, be everything, but they don't do that again. Anybody that goes to hospital now, they will say it's Koro. Now Koro, they worry and put him for this thing, go and lock him, no food, no anything. It's not the best now. The whole Nigeria will have to repent. Yes. Most of those are people, they rely on their pastors, fake pastors, man of God, man of devil.
Man of devil in suits and in Agbada.
Agbada in correct this thing, but if they feel that is the best, they will suffer. You see them, you see very soon. You are a journalist, you will see very soon. You know, all these things I've been doing since. Did you ever see anybody call you on phone and say, now Baba do me this, that?
No, sir.
I never do anything bad. This program we are doing, and all those politicians doesn't like us. Chuku eshoran chuku. Bara eshoran bara. Ebe tirukulu tó bá kọ láàárọ̀, tó bá dalẹ̀ máa túká ni. Gbogbo àròjò àròyé máa bá wọn máa sọ́fà. Wọ́n máa kú dànù. Àìsàn burúkú máa gbé wọn dè. Èyí tá ṣe lóore tó mórè. Ìgbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ kò ní dá. Á sunkún gbẹ̀yìn ayé ẹ̀ ni. Bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àrí bẹ́ẹ̀ lágbára Òdùmarè. Lágbára tẹ àṣẹ. Bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. Àwíṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ta fọ̀ṣà àná bẹ́ẹ̀ta ọ̀gágọ́ abẹ́tì lákàtọ̀. Òkété bá balẹ̀ fọ̀bẹ́ ẹni gbọ́. Ń bá sọ báyìí ni kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Olúgbòǹkó gbọ́ o. Olúgbòǹkó gbọ́. Olúgbòǹkó gbọ́. Olúgbòǹkó gbọ́. Olúgbòǹkó gbọ́. Ó gbọ́ àwọn tó bá nice tó ń ṣe báàdì fún Nàìjíríà. Ikú òjijì náà máa kú. Wọ́n àròjú àráyè. Ó máa bá wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. And some of this Ifa priest, you know most of them. And all these Babalawo, Ifa priest, they say, Guam, they just throw this in for Guam. They say, go and bring goat, go and bring pig, go and bring aguton, go and bring ram, go and bring this. They will kill all those one for chop. Marry many wives, so go to chop. And that doesn't give any gain. They will surely die very soon. You will see.
What can we do to stop all this fire? Because you predicted there's going to be fire this year, and even you said there's going to be great heat. We thank God that the heat is going down now. Rain has started coming now, and even Majek Fashe just passed away, and there's rain after he passed away. So, sir, what can we do? I mean, to stop the fire in Lagos? We just heard that Aso Rock caught fire the other day now. Every other state is causing fire before Alausa catches fire now, or Agodi, or Okegbeyin, or you know, all those places, government houses. I mean, what do we need to do to stop this fire? Is there any cleansing or spiritual activities that Nigerians need to do? Because our people predominantly believe in Islam and Christian, unlike in Cotonou or Benin Republic, whereby there is traditional day. I mean, to help to subdue some of these evil eventualities. So what can we do?
There's something we can do. Since I've been talking now, no ever a person come up say, Baba, what can we do for this? What can we do for that? Except that of heat. When I saw the heat will be warning my grandchildren, I have to pray to God to stop the heat. Let rain be falling. That's why most of those who are holding the rain now, you see there's a lot of storm.
Moving their houses, sir.
Moving their houses. That's because they are stopping the rain. And God doesn't like the way they are stopping the rain. It's not the best now. Look at this month now. This is almost we're in June now. Yeah. No rain now. There's supposed to be rain every day, but no rain. So the entire government of Nigeria really hate the traditionalists, but they are going to meet them secretly at the back to be doing work for them. That's why they are being duped, because they don't want to go to anybody who is popular. And myself, I'm very popular, but I have not shown anybody in life say this also person come to me. I never do it in my life. Those who came to me too, who does lot of things to me, I help him become a governor, from governor to minister. He didn't help me, but he's suffering secretly. He didn't know that he will surely suffer in life. Yes, he will fall yakata in the ground, bam, he never reach. Yes, they will know.